Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I got a Happy Meal. I did point out to the postman that it's got a hole in it, so I just hope nothing's falling out of it. Glynis will be able to tell me if anything has fallen out of this or not. And this is from Glynis, and we all thank Glynis for keeping up with the Happy Meal. It's got open here. This is brilliant. And so I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to open it up here at the top, and thank you so much, Glynis. Thank you so much. And I've got Muttley patiently waiting down there because Glynis always sends a little bag of treats for Muttley. And he's down there. Oh, look at this. Now I know this is Aldi yarn. Are you looking? Are you looking? Hang on, I need to show you this. Are you looking for treats? Look at this down here. Treats in that bag. I think he knows just from the scent that it's Glynis or who it is that's sent. He always seems to recognise the bags from Glynis. Now, if you hear a sort of noise in the background, my next door neighbours, they're getting something done. I do apologise for any noise. I don't know how long it's going to go on, but I need to do this little video for Glynis. I'm going to put Muttley back down. Right, down you go. Beautiful. Look at this. That is so pretty. It's a beautiful mint green. This is yarn from Aldi. The So Crafty brand in the UK is Aldi yarn. Look at that. It says Cool Neutrals. Oh, there's another one. There's another one there. I'm going to move that to the side. It's 50 grams. It's in that. That is so pretty. Look at the colours in that. It's so pretty. And if you hear any noise outside, it's like I said, there's workmen next door. They're a little bit noisy, but there isn't anything I can do about it. And I need to do this video for Glynis as well, so she patiently waits for the videos to get done. There's 50 grams in each ball, that's 133 metres. And it's a light 3 acrylic. That's a DK, a double knitting in the UK, and it is so pretty. Look at that. It tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook. And the thing with Aldi's is it always tells you just knitting needles, but a knitting needle shaft is the same size as a crochet hook shaft. So if it tells you a 4mm knitting needle, then use a 4mm crochet hook. It's the same thickness. So we've got that. Look at that one. That's a pretty one. Well, there's two of those. There's two of those. And that grey is absolutely beautiful with it. Look at that one. There's a grey and there's this one. There's no colour on this one. It doesn't tell you what colour it is. Knit and purl. Cool neutrals. A light 3. It doesn't say what colour. I'm going to pop them down there. And there's a grey one. And I've got Muttley hanging around. Because he always knows that his Auntie Glynis sends him a treat. There's these little balls. That is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. There's another little ball. That's a beautiful shade of blue. I'm going to pop them there. And look at this. Oh, there's treats. There's some dentist sticks. There is, it's usually Smackos that she sends them. There's a pack of Smackos. That is brilliant. I'll pop them over there. I'll move them over there. Muttley loves it. Muttley loves when she gets her videos. There's a little card to Alison and Muttley, and we'll open that up. So I love it when she does a little homemade kit. I used to do it. Look at that. It's got like a metallic thread on it. And on that, that is so pretty. I'll pop that envelope up there. To Alison and Muttley. Love to you both. And then she's telling me a bit about the granny squares that she made the last time. She made a lot of granny squares for her friend Christine, who very sadly passed away. And she gave me the granny squares. Thank you so much, Glynis. I'm going to pop that there. That's a beautiful card, and I keep all the cards that Glynis sends me. Now we've got this little, I'm going to wrap that there around like that. That is a beautiful colour. Look at that. That's beautiful. Like that. I think she sent me some of these before. I think these are ones from the Poundland, but she rolls them up with her wool winder. And the reason Glynis sends so much is she's moved from a larger house to a smaller house, and she's destashing all her yarn that she's had for many years, many years, and we really do appreciate it. And I really would like you all to say thank you to Glynis as well, because it's not just me that benefits, it's everyone that's watching and getting a chance to see what's in these happy mail bags. And please give the video a thumbs up just on behalf of Glynis, just to say, Glynis, that we really appreciate this, Glynis, and thank you so much. She sent so many happy mail bags of yarn. And oh, this one's all down there. That is so pretty. Look at the colours in that one. This is a really soft one. I really like that. It's got whites and greys and lilacs. Pop that down there. And there's a beautiful blue. What's that? What's this? Oh, look at that. So neutrals. Well, this must have been in with the yarn. How to make a pom-pom. And it's pom-pom templates. Look at that. That's brilliant. I remember my mum used to do these. She used to turn a mug upside down and draw around a mug on a piece of cardboard from a cereal box. And then she would put a smaller circle in the middle and draw around that, and then cut it out. And it worked exactly the same thing as to make these. If you just draw around a mug and then draw around maybe a large coin in the middle, and you can make these as big as you want them. If you want a bigger pom-pom, then make a bigger template. Do you know what? I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm actually going to show you how to do these so that you can do it at home yourself. It's really simple. It's really easy. You wrap all your yarn around, and then you go in between the two templates and you tie up your pom-pom. Thank you for that, Glynis. That is so, oh gosh, what a memory of that though. That's so, thank you. I think that's brilliant. So these ones will make small pom-poms. These ones I'll make sort of middle size, and these ones I'll make maybe like a 2, maybe 3-inch size pom-pom. That is brilliant, absolutely brilliant, Glynis. Thank you so much. Oh, look, there's a roll of this. Could have been doing with that for that hole at the. I think that's been the postal office that's done the hole, and hopefully nothing's fallen out. Every time Glynis sends a parcel, she's got open here. Every time she sends a parcel, she uses this super sticky tape. Look how sticky that is on there. And I keep saying to her, where did you get that? I hate when you lift the box and the bottom falls out of it because the tape you've used has not been strong enough, especially if I send anything to my sister Sandra. And Glynis has sent me this. You get it in WH Smith's, it says home and office. And this is super tape for doing parcels and sticking to boxes. It is brilliant tape, it really is. And it's, look at that, it is super sticky. Look how sticky that is. It's amazing. I love it. I love this tape. And she always uses it to write a little message on it. Thank you so much, Glynis. Thank you so much. I'm going to pop that there. That is such a surprise. Thanks. And then we've got these little balls of yarn. There's this one. It's You can't see right into the middle. It's almost a white in the middle. We've got the sun out, but it's freezing here. Even though it's a bright sunny day, everything was all frosty this morning. And we're into April. We're into what, the second week in April? And look at that, that is so pretty. I'll pop that there. And then there's a beautiful sort of aqua green, like a marine sort of pretty green. That is so nice. I like that. That's lovely. And then there's a brighter green, and then there's that green one, and another ball of that one, and there's a white, and there's, oh, look at this little one. This is a cotton. This is a little ball of cotton. Look how pretty that is. What I'm going to show you is, I need to show you this. Get to my chair. Look what I've been making. This is going to be my new video, and I've been using this chunky deluxe spot, this, and look at this. This is so pretty. Look at the pattern on this. It comes out. Look, you get a line running through it, and then you get that line running up and down. You're not going to, for 100 guesses, you would not guess what this stitch is. Do you know what the Solomon's knot is? Or it's also called the love knot. And this is what that stitch is. I have made a modern bit blanket. I'm not going to say a modern version of Solomon's knot, because the stitch is exactly what it is. It's a set stitch. But normally when you see this pattern, it's really wide open like that, and it's in like a cross with a square around it, very much like every time I've seen them, it's like a fishing net to me. When you see, I'm not being derogatory towards, it's a really wide open lacy stitch. And that's the way it's supposed to be, and it's a really pretty stitch. Look what I've managed to do. I've kind of modernized it, and I've looked on YouTube and I've looked on Google, and I haven't seen this. I haven't seen it done like this at all. I stand corrected if you see it somewhere, but I haven't. I haven't, and I've looked for days and days, and I've Googled everything to do with Solomon's knot and the love knot and crochet and blankets and patterns, and it's always been that old traditional um cross, which in itself is beautiful. It's beautiful for laces, for it's beautiful for shawls and scarves and things like that. But look at this for a blanket. Look at this. It is so pretty, so quick to work as well. And I used a UK 8mm crochet hook. Look how thick this crochet hook is. You can use any size of crochet hook for it. If you do this stitch in a smaller hook and double knitting yarn and a thinner yarn, it will be a little closer in, and that in itself is pretty. But when you use a bigger hook, it opens it, but it doesn't make it so wide that it is so lacy as in a traditional Solomon's knot. Now you can see the Solomon's knot there. I will show you how to do that. But look at that. I love this, and it crocheted up. I did all of this just in the afternoon. Look at this. It is so pretty. It's really neat on the bottom. It's really neat up the sides. You don't even need a border. I don't even know what kind of border to put on it. So if you can think of a border that I could maybe try on this before I get the video finished. And the video for this should go up tomorrow. It should go up the next day after this video being on. But look at this. It is so pretty and it's easy. I'll show you how to do that Solomon's knot, and then I'll show you how to do this beautiful pattern. Look at it. I love it. I love it. I'm really proud of it and I love it. And like I said, to my knowledge, I haven't seen this anywhere. I haven't seen it anywhere. I might be wrong because crochet is so old. It really is so old. but I haven't seen the Solomon's knot done like this. And it kind of looks like a ladder as well when you sort of pull it that way. It is so pretty. Look at that. Anyway, I'm going to pop that to the side. In my excitement of doing that, I thought, oh, it's so pretty. I'll pop that to the side and we'll get on with the rest of what's left. And there's not that much left in the bag. There we go, there's not that much left. Muttley will end up. I can't give this one to Muttley because that tape is really sticky and I don't want that sticking to his fur or anything. I'll give him a different bag to play with. And then there's these two little balls of blue. Look at all these shades of blue that are so pretty. And that stitch, that blanket that I just showed you, you can do any yarn, you can use any yarn, and you can use any size of crochet hook that you like. Just experiment with it, you're going to love it. And it'd be so pretty done in all these different colours as well, and different shades. So Glynis, thank you so much, and please everyone give this video a thumbs up just to say thank you to Glynis, because I know that Glynis watches all these videos and she watches them more than once. So please subscribe to the channel. It is completely free to subscribe. If you want to join, and there is a join button down there, and YouTube have added this join button so that followers can click on the join button and they can donate every month to help the YouTuber of their choice, your favourite YouTuber. You can click on the join button and you can help support that YouTuber and their channel. I mean, it's not just yarn it's not just yarn that makes this YouTube channel. It's the video equipment, it's the electricity, it's the computer, it's the time, it's a whole lot of things, and it does eat into your budget as well. So please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and if you want to support the channel, then you can click on the join button. YouTube is asking everyone to please point out that there's the join button as well, and that people can support your channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So thank you so much, and once again thank you so much to Glynis and to all the people who send happy mail to me, from crochet hooks to yarn to patterns as well. So until the next time, I'm going to get that blanket finished, and if you've got an idea for a border for that blanket, then leave it in the comments as well, and we'll see what we can work out as a border. It doesn't really need a border, but at least if we've got some ideas, if people have some ideas of borders, then we can actually point that out when I do that video. So thank you so much. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.